Hi, welcome to day 8 of CSS3 in 10 days. Here in the first project, we are going to make an accordion. So let's jump into it. So I have already created a folder 8.1 accordion and pasted the index.html in it, and I have a clear sandbox of CSS, and I am also running live server. So which is showing me this only plain content. So let me close it and see. This is what we have. We have a accordion class, then accordion item, and like this. So let us move to the sandbox now. Let me increase the size also, and here also, and let me go to the sandbox, and we will first target the this class which contains our three accordion dot position will be relative, display will be block, background color will be this only, border will be 1px solid hash e0 e0 e0. Yeah, got this. Then let's target this accordion item, this one, dot accordion item, display is block, dot accordion, and we are not targeting this. Display is block, and it contains our lorem ipsum. Padding is 0, overflow is hidden, height is 0, transition is height 0.5 second ease, comma, padding 0.3 second linear. Let me save it, and the content is hidden by default because we have given the height as 0. So let we will now choose this p tag is there inside every one of them, p tag inside the accordion content. So we will choose this now. So let me do one thing. Let me copy this. We are choosing the p, padding is 20px, margin is 0, accordion content, target, height is 150px. Let me save it, and now when you go here and click on it, see, it will show. So it is so easy to create an accordion with just pure this much line of a code. So now what we are going to do, we are going to style the accordion, means It's not looking good, so it should look good. That is what is target of this whole CSS series, for everything to look good without any external library like Bootstrap and all. Accordion, just dot accordion. We are going to now target this trigger. This is the trigger. This href. This is the trigger, because this href only opens this. So accordion. Let me copy that. Accordion. Accordion trigger. Text. Decoration is none. Then we will target this accordion, where it is, yeah, this accordion title we will target. Dot accordion title. So this accordion 1 2 3, this link will be good, shown nicely. Position relative. Display is block. Margin is 0. Padding is 10 px. Font size is 1 em. Background color is 00 B3 B4. Color is hash FFF. Oh, I chose something wrong. It should not be content, it should be accordion. Yeah, now it is okay. Border is 1px solid hash 379 AA4. Yeah, the border is a bit different. Now box shadow 0 1px 0 RGBA 255 comma 255 comma 255 comma 0.5. Inset. Let me copy this. Yeah, so this time 0, then minus 1 px 0 RGBA 0.1, and after that 0 4 px 0, and then we will have a color hash 338A94. And last one will be 0. Let me have a semicolon so that I don't forget it. 0 for px 2px RGBA 0 0 0.5. We don't want this inset. Yeah, we got this. Yeah, so the next thing is cursor should be pointer. Let me save it, and it is working perfectly. But how will the user know that it is an accordion? So we need to show the arrow key. We need to show an arrow key here, arrow here, so that user can click and user can see the it is clickable. User know it is clickable. So let us go now and let me select this and let me give a hover property. Hover, background color 0, BBFC0. Now the hover color is changing. Now I will again target this and create an element on the fly from the CSS, and for that we either use the after or the before. So I will use the after. Position is absolute, top is calc 50% minus 5px, right is 20px, width is 7px, height is 7px, border left is 2px, solid hash fff, border bottom is 2px, solid hash fff. It will not show anything until I put this thing, and see, it is showing like this, but I want it down. So we created the border, only this part, border left and border bottom. So this is a cool way I show to create the arrow. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use transform and we will rotate it minus 45 degree, and see, this is a cool way to create an arrow. And now I click and click, so it is done. So our accordion is now complete. So for the next thing, for this also I had already created one. So first we dispose of, I have already created one sliding this CSS, because the next thing we are going to do is sliding panels. So index.html is created and sandbox.css is already created. So we are going to see sliding panels of images will be there. So sandbox in section div slide, we have one image here in this first section, then in the second section the second image, third section, and we have 4 sections with 4 images. So, and we are getting a random image from place.img.com. so we are getting this. So let me go ahead and click it and So these are the images. I will now open it here in my Firefox. So these are some random images and some lorem ipsum in the. So let me go ahead and put some styles, start putting some style. So first thing which we are going to do is this dot slide, position is relative, display is inline block, overflow is hidden, then we are going to target this slide and this image we are going to target. Dot slide img, display is not inline, display is inline block, vertical align is middle, save it, and then this slide content, this lorem content, what is there, that we are going to paste this, and copy this, and then the parent container we had already made relative, and this slide which is the parent, because it is here, it is the parent, we had made it relative, and we are going to make it absolute so that it contains inside it. Position is, oh, not this, position is again wrong, absolute, top is 0, left is 0, right is 0, bottom is 0, width is 100%, z or z index is 1, display flex, line items is center, justify content is again center. This way we center everything. Text align is center. See, this text have now moved inside it, all of it. Padding is 20 px, box sizing is border box, which is by default a content box, background color is RGBA 255 comma 255, not 255 or 255, 35.69, some opacity. So RGBA is a perfect way to give opacity. So see, this kind of background color it will have, and the color will be white because black is not showing as good, and transition will be transform 0.3 sec is now we are going to have this hover effect. So dot slide over dot slide content. The slide content is this lorem ipsum transform translate 0 comma 0. So not much now, but now we will have the direction. Now for each one of them we have a different class. See, first one have a slide top class, so we are going to target this slide top dot slide top dot slide content. So we're targeting only the first one. Transform translate 0 comma minus 100%. Save it. See, when I move my mouse over it, it shows this text. So this is what slide over text means. You can put any text here. This image means that. So this is what it is all about. So next one, let me copy it another 3 times and left slide content and left one will come from the left, so minus 100% and this one will be 0. Let me put this also right, and this one is bottom, so I have done only for left. Left, what is happening? Slide left slide content translate. So where is the slide from left? Oh, slide from the left is at the last. See, it is sliding from the left, and this is sliding from the top. Slide right, slide right. Let me put the slide right 100%, 0, sliding from the right. Now sliding bottom is 0, 100% bottom. So all of them are working. So this completes our day 8. See